Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix could not sign in authentication failed. So guys, when you try to sign in your Apple ID in the App Store and it's not working and you're getting the error like that, I'll show you how can you fix it. So guys, it's pretty easy and basic for you to fix this issue. So let me tell you that if you want to fix this issue, you just simply have to go back. Now after that guys, what you have to do is just simply have to launch the settings app. When you tap on that guys, after that you can easily find your Apple ID here. When you tap here guys, after that guys, maybe it will ask you for the verify email address, because if you have not verified your email address, that's why it's not working for you. Okay guys, if you have created your Apple ID and you have not verified your email, that's why it's not working for you. If you want to fix your issue guys, just verify your email address. You can see here verify email, tap on that, and after that guys, the verification code will be sent to your email address. So just simply how to put that verification code. When you put that verification code guys, your email will be verified and you can easily sign in your Apple ID in the App Store. So guys, what you have to do is just simply have to go back, and after that guys, restart your device, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So let me tell you that when you tap on settings, you can find the interface like this. So let me show you here guys. Maybe you can see this type of interface. So you can easily see here guys, verify now, tap on that, and after that guys, the verification code will be sent to your email address. For that verification code, now after verifying your email address, you can easily fix your issue and you can easily sign in your Apple ID in the App Store, and you can easily download the apps. So that's pretty much part of the video. If it is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.